What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Bash, back with another video, trade recap for today. I'm gonna go over the trades I nearly took today, which would have been a winner, but I didn't, I didn't take it because, yeah, price was just too, price was playing with my emotions today. It was a temptation today, man. If I didn't stay cool, probably get cooked today. Probably take a loss and, start to psych out, do a lot of stuff, man. But yeah, it wasn't the best day, but yeah, man. Today was just yeah. So coming into the day, I was bullish for today. I was looking for buys. Like I said in my last video, we had a reaction of this um we had the reaction of this bullish PERA. So I was looking for buys to target this, draw liquidity, the swing high. So yeah. So coming into the day, I saw this 4-hour fair value got formed. Just before market open, we came down, manipulated, we swept this low. Just get onto the 1 hour chart quick, and that's gonna be clear. So we came down, we swept a low, we swept this low. I'm pretty much sure we had an SMT at this level. So manipulation into this gap, and then instantly we had a reaction. So I'm just gonna go down to the 1 minute chart and show what happened today. I'll show you a video of my trades I nearly took today, and yeah, man, it was crazy, man. So just before market open, we came down, we tapped into this gap, we pretty much react off it, and we came into the CB right here. We shut off, and then we had a manipulation leg. I think it was this low. And then we swept this low. Sorry, mate. We swept this low right here. I'm pretty much sure we had SMT at this low and BPR. A lot of people would take this and probably would have been a winner, but yeah, price action wasn't the best today. I didn't really expect much today because yesterday was a large expansion to the upside, so I didn't really expect much, to be honest. We had a BPR here, we swept this low, we came up, and yeah, I saw this buy side here. That was my target for the day because we had a BPR, so pretty much a good rejection of this after the sweep and of this 4-hour fair value gap. So yeah, so I'm gonna go over the trades I would have taken. I should have taken the trades I took, but I didn't get filled. I had my limit buy, but I didn't get filled. It was nothing too wrong. Just price action, doing price action since today. And yeah, I didn't really fall for it because if I had fall for it, I would have taken a loss. 100%, I would take a loss. And if I take a loss there, I would get emotional. I would start doing some crazy stocks, bro. So market open, we have first position to fair value gap right here, which was what I did. I marked it out, and I was waiting for like a major reaction off it. So we came down, we had a Judas swing, we came down, we didn't really get into this BPR, we came down, and then immediately we, ran through. The investor first presented. I didn't really take this. We came down again. We tapped here. We saw a reaction. From there, I knew price action want to do some, some debt stuffs. Probably want to, consolidate around this BPR or just, just calm down, trade into this fair value gap before we have a major reaction. So, yeah, we came down. We displays down, came major reaction of this first presented gap to the upside, and then immediately we displays down to the downside. Reaction of it. I would have taken this as well, but it wasn't. Yeah, that's not my modus, so I wouldn't take that. So we came down, reaction here. We took out this low, and then immediately 10 o'clock, 10 a.m. candle, open, yeah, displacement, and then we had a pullback. And from this area, yeah, I was thinking, okay, this is looking good because we had a displacement. We had a major reaction of the first presented once, twice, and then we swept this low. The reaction of this BPR, and then we have a 4-hour fair value gap. So everything was aligning. I was on the right side. I was looking for buys, right? So I didn't really, didn't really focus on this price action right here. I had to wait for 10 a.m. So we get displacement. We came down into this fair value gap. We didn't really, go deep into it. From there, I was like, okay, I'm gonna take a buy position right here if we have a major reaction, which we did. And then it was on this candle, I think. Yeah, the candle was, it was moving too fast. I had to use a limit buy. Because if I would have taken this on market orders, yeah, I probably would have, I would win a trade today, probably 40 points or something. Yeah, I think it was 40 points. More than 40 points, yeah, 75 points. That's crazy, man. I missed it. So yeah, that was what I was thinking. That was what I nearly done today, and it didn't work out for me. It did what it is. I didn't take a loss. I'm on the right side. Psychology is, it's straight, and I didn't fall for it today. It was a temptation, man. I probably would have chased it if I didn't get filled. Probably chase it, and then I would have taken a loss because immediately after this You know, rally up, took out buy side, yeah, and then immediately just dumped down. So I'll show you a video of what happened today. Yeah, that was me, man. That was me today, man. Same thing I did. I marked how the first presented, you know. We had the top one, the top two, and then 10 o'clock we displaced to the upside. This was where I wanted to take the trade, but you know, I had to use a limit order because the candles yeah, was moving too fast. I was thinking we're gonna come down, manipulate into this 1 minute gap right there before going up, but yeah, man, it was painful, bro. I can't do anything. It is what it is. Yeah, I didn't get filled. You know, you ran through. The price didn't come down at all. And then after that, I was like, nah, I'm just gonna close the computer. I'm done for the day. I wouldn't take any trade. I passed my Apex account, so it's just not worth it, man. I'm gonna have to start again from Monday next week. I mean, I didn't take anything today. Yeah, that's it, man. And pretty much the whole day was, it was pretty much back and forth consolidation. Not the best, the candles just too much wicks. And then, stressful. You could tell price don't really want to go anywhere today. And in PM section, we had a major opportunity. I'll show you. So we came down, we have this, I think this is a bullish PD area on the 2 minute one, on the 2 minute chart, sorry. So we swept this low, we swept this major low, we came down, we swept this low, and then immediately we go a BPR, sorry, not a BPR, close above this swing guy, close above this order block here, because obviously price was coming down, we have a 1, 2, 3 order blocks, displayed through, we swept this low, reaction of this 2 minute bullish fair value gap, and then immediately we go a 1 minute, got a 1 minute displacement, and then retest, and from there you just ride this up to this buy side right here, and pretty much that was it for today, man. Price was just moving crazy. Not the best day, but you know, if I hadn't chilled today, I probably would have taken a loss. 100% would have taken a loss, man. And I'm very very happy today because yeah, that was 40 points, man. I traded with 10 micros. I probably maybe $700 today. Yeah, I'm done for the day on 5 accounts. That's crazy, man. But didn't get FOMO. I had to live it, and then price just displays to the downside. Yeah, that was it for today, man. That was what I saw. That was what I nearly took today. Yeah, you know, if you find this video helpful, if you find the video helpful, if you like the video, just subscribe, comment, and I'll keep dropping videos like this on my trade recap. I'll keep dropping videos on psychology as well. And yeah, stay tuned, man.